You can get monetized for a year and not even be able to make up to $100. This is as a result of the niche that you have chosen to do on YouTube. Now, I can make 1,000 views as a creator on my videos and be able to get $100, whereas someone else can get 5,000 views and not even be able to make up to $50. The niche that you choose on YouTube will determine the amount of money that you make, because there are some niches that are more profitable than some others. On this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some niches that you can go into if you're trying to start a YouTube channel, or maybe you just want to have some additional channels to make more revenue and income. Then you want to listen to this video, because all the niches that I'll be mentioning are niches that can help you make good money here on YouTube. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mona Lisa. This channel will teach people how to grow on YouTube and how to also make money on YouTube. Now, I'm going to be mentioning the most profitable niches in no particular order. And trust me, if you are able to utilize what I have said, you'll be able to make good money once you are monetized. Now, the first one on my list is the social media marketing. For example, how to grow on YouTube. The how to grow on YouTube falls under the social media marketing, and it's one of the niches that is very great if you want to make money. Now, the thing about this niche is that every other niche are dependent on this niche, because no matter the niche that you are in, you want to grow on YouTube. So that is why when it comes to how to grow on YouTube, you see that we are able to quickly grow unlike some other channels. So if you are looking for a channel where you can, or if you're looking for a niche where you can quickly grow and make a good amount of money, then how to grow is a very great one to do. Now, how to grow does not get limited to YouTube alone. You can also teach people how to grow on Instagram and Facebook and TikTok, because there are a lot of people who are also trying to leverage those platforms. So this is a very great niche if you want to make good money. But one thing I'm going to talk about is, I need to put this disclaimer out, because now there are a lot of people making this kind of videos, but trust me, the demand is always high. So no matter how saturated it is, as long as you are providing value, you're definitely going to get subscribers and grow in no time. But for the disclaimer, you want to make sure that you are giving information that are correct. Now, you don't have to have the best knowledge on how to grow on YouTube. For me, I have a 10 years experience on YouTube, and I have been able to, just teach people out of experience, and also the things that I've gathered over 10 years. And despite that, I do my research. Till now, I do my research every day, because I know that you have to learn every day. And when it comes to YouTube, YouTube comes up with a lot of different things. The algorithm changes, you have to keep learning and researching so that you're providing value. So if you must go into this niche, you must make sure that you're ready to research, do your due diligence, because when it comes to going on this niche, people would only follow you when they know that you're trustworthy and whatever that you put out is correct and valuable. Now, the next one on my list is still a little bit under the social media marketing. The niche is how to make money online. Now, this is one of the most profitable niches. Like, you can make a good amount of money if you are able to talk about how to make money online. There are a lot of people who are trying to work remotely. There are people who want to, make money online without, going to work. They just want to commute from home. Now, if you have knowledge on how people can make money online, you can use this to your advantage by creating a channel and teaching people how to make money. This is so great. When it comes to making money on YouTube, it is dependent on different factors now, right? It is not only on the niche. Now, there's something that is called CPM and RPM. I'm not going to bore you with this. I can make another video if you want to know more about CPM and RPM. But in summary, CPM is like the money that advertisers are willing to pay for that video. Now, when it comes to advertisers, you will notice that when you watch people's video, you see ads come up. When those ads are being played and watched, you are making money from there. Now, CPM is kind of like shared between you and YouTube. YouTube takes their percentage when it comes to CPM. So by the time they have taken their percentage out of the money, because I mean, you're not the only one who's going to get the revenue from the advertisers. YouTube have to also get their own share. So by the time they have collected their share, that is what is now called the RPM. The remaining money left that is for you is called the RPM. So this is a simpler way that I can explain what CPM and RPM means. If you need a video on more details about this, please let me know. I would make a video. Now back to the niches that are profitable. The next one on my list is educational niche. This is a very, very great one. Now there's a different category of this, right? You can teach people different things. When it comes to educational, it can be maybe you know how to teach math, you know how to teach English, but it doesn't stop there. One of the ones that I love so much, I am in this niche. I create content on this particular niche. If you don't know, I have other channels. So when it comes to education, you can do kids videos. And the good thing about doing kids videos is that a lot of kids are online watching. There are parents who, want to, play videos that can educate their children at home, right? So this is a very great niche because there is no shortage of demand. There are a lot of people out there wanting this kind of videos. If you want to create videos on teaching children, you are going to be able to make good money because there are a lot of people watching it and you can easily get views. Now, if you want me to make a video on how you can easily make kids videos, please let me know in the comment section. It is very easy and straightforward. In fact, you don't have to have the best knowledge in creating graphics or anything. Just with a little basic tutorial, you can be able to create this video. Now, the next niche on my list is the finance and investment, right? When it comes to investment, oh my God, this is a very great one. If you know much about investment, then you want to key into this niche. This niche is very profitable. I'm not going to talk too much on this, but you know what investment means. So if you have wide knowledge on investing, please go into this niche. It is going to make you good money. Now, the next one on my list is tech. Tech has always been one of the most profitable businesses to do. It is so profitable, especially here on YouTube. So if you know anything about tech, please jump on this niche because you are going to make good money. The next one I'm going to talk about is my absolute fave. I can tell you for a fact that if you can pull this off, you are in for something. Before we move on to that, if you haven't subscribed and you have gotten any benefit and value from any of my videos, take a moment to subscribe because why haven't you? And please give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can push it to as many people as possible who can get value from this video. And don't forget to leave a comment. Now let's talk about the next niche. The next niche on my list is something I've been doing for over a year. It is the health niche. If you know anything about health, now you don't need to be a doctor or you don't need to be a nurse. But if you are a doctor or a nurse, good, that is perfect. But if you have any knowledge on how to stay healthy, like it can be on herbs, right? It can be on, lifestyle, how to take care of yourself and make sure you're healthy. It can be through even fruits. It can just anything about health, right? It doesn't necessarily need to be an in-depth into the medical profession. But if you know anything about health, this is a great niche. You can make so much money from this niche. All you have to do is just put out your video. And let me tell you something that is interesting about this niche. Now you don't need to show your face. It can be a faceless niche. You can make money by putting videos without showing your face. All you need is videos and graphics and then a voiceover or even AI, voice, and then you're good to go. You don't necessarily need to show yourself in these videos. I am going to be able to show you how to create these videos. If you want me to, please let me know in the comment section. It is very easy as long as you follow the steps. If this video was helpful, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and don't hesitate to comment as well. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. See you on my next video. Have an amazing day ahead. Bye.